Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H1 smartwatch, a Lexus Fit powered smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the dials for this wearable. So if you want to see the list of watch faces or dials for the H1 smartwatch, watch this video. And if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the dials or the watch faces for our H1 smartwatch. The wearable here is already preloaded with watch faces. So to change, just long press again. And we have here, it takes a while, but as you can see, it works. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 6 preloaded watch faces is available for our fitness tracker or smartwatch. Tap on OK to apply the watch face. Okay, it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. The screen is not that responsive when it comes to changing the watch face here. Okay, but anyway, it works, and you have an option here to lock or not the screen display or the watch face. If you want to download additional watch face or dials, just go to the support app. It is using the Lexus Fit application, and we have here the dial mall. Okay, so it is located here. Select the dial section. We have the my dial. This is where the downloaded watch faces is stored. And we have the DIY dial. This is for the wallpaper or custom dial. And we have the dial mall. So here are the list of watch faces or dial for our H1 smartwatch. So let's explore. Okay, so seems like we only have a limited number of watch faces here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, new product listing. Let's see. Yes, this is it. Okay, very limited dials. Okay, this is a very disappointing news for those who love to customize their fitness tracker. Okay, we only have a very limited number of dials for the H1 smartwatch. Anyway, let's try to download and see if we can add additional dials. Then redeemed now. Congratulations. Use immediately. Let's see if it will work. Yes, as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's see. Let's wait. And we have here our dials. Okay, with the limited memory, I think you can only add 1 dial at a time. And at the same time, anyways, very limited options only for our wearable. Okay, it's available here on the My Dial section, the downloaded watch faces. For the custom wallpaper, okay, go to DIY dial, then select picture, go to your gallery. Okay, then check, crop the image here, adjust the time. You can select colors also if you like. Then check. Then you can adjust the data here. Let us say you want a heart rate. Then below the time, you want the sleep monitoring or sleep data. Then save and use. Just like the watch faces in the watch face market, it will automatically download the wallpaper on your wearable. So it is now pushing. Let's wait. And we have here our custom dial or custom watch faces. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the list of dials for our H1 smartwatch. Okay, nothing else to show, as you can see here we only have a limited number of watch faces. Anyway, if you have any questions regarding this video demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.